Hello everyone. Why we need to use GitHub? Okay, we understand why we need to use version controlling. So why we need to use GitHub? The important thing, the thing that make GitHub different from the another version control system is that Microsoft has the GitHub and bought it for $7.5 billion. It's a lot of money, and Microsoft owning that they are the good guys. They are the ones who care about the company and about the platforms that they have. And also it has over 40 million users and over 100 million repositories, and it's the largest community for the developers. And you can also use it for your work, and it has a very friendly environment. You see here the environment is really friendly and useful. I create a new account for this project. You see it's very friendly and you can use it, and many players are using that. Okay, we are going to create an account in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, bye.